Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I just finished watching isiqephu sezingane zesithembu lapho okulolwandle lokhwezi khona. Guys, storyline less asingenzeli sense mina. Ngifila ngathi nje, okay, I saw some people on TikTok saying that this storyline sounds scripted. Ngathi lami ngiyathanda ukuyikholwa. Now lami ngemva kokubukela isiqephu lesi ngathi ngiyabelieve ukuthi this part is kind of scripted, because according to the DNA results kuthiwa uLwandle is not the father of the child, right? Okay, ama DNA results athi uLwandle is not the father of the child, and then uMacele was very adamant about DNA, ukuthi DNA ayenziwe. The moment she found out ukuthi ukhwezi is pregnant, she was like, okay girlie, we are going to do a DNA test before we accept the child. You know what, when she said that back then, I was like, I mean, that's reasonable. I mean, probably bakhona abantu asebebuye bazothi bona ba pregnant ngomntaka Lwandle, uthola ukuthi it's uLwandle is not the child, is not the father. So that made sense then. But now that the results actually came out saying ukuthi uLwandle is not the father, now sengifila ngathi these people knew that uLwandle vele is not the father, and now they just wanted to kind of ukuthi besitshaye ngentsenzeng, you know, something like that. Ay guys, kukabili ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bebevele bekwazi ukuthi uLwandle is not the father, or maybe uLwandle is the father, bazama ukusichaya nje ngokuthi kuqale ukuthi uLwandle is not the father, then dukuduku uLwandle useyi the father. I guys, the storyline is not make sure, because angazi, maybe I'm struggling to believe ukuthi khona ukhwezi, it means she was cheating on uLwandle. Maybe I'm struggling to believe that, which phela ingcazelo ye DNA yona leyo ukuthi ukhwezi was cheating on uLwandle, because DNA is saying Lwandle is not the dad. So that means ukuthi ugirl has been out and about with them boys. uLwandle la usesithi yena ucabanga ukuthi ingane, it's because ingane yayincane, that is why iDNA iphuma isithi he is not the father. So kuthi ukuthi ingane ngakhula. Hayibo kodwa uLwandle, hayibo usesithi yena kusho ukuthi ingane ingakhula kungenziwa iDNA ingane sikhulile, mhlawumbe ama results azaphuma esithi yena he is the father. Maybe like, guys, this thing is not making sense. Why uLwandle nxa ama results ephuma esithi he is not the father, why is he not questioning that? Why is he not furious ukuthi girl, you were cheating on me? Why nehle gijimela ukuthi ingane incane? Guys, this storyline is not making sense at all. Like, indlela yokureacta ngayo le nxa kuthiwa umntwana so wakho, wena ubizitshela ukuthi umntwana ngowakho, iDNA iphuma isithi you are not the father, ubulokhu uhlekelela, uhleka into ezingahlekisiyo, uthi wena hayi ingane sesincane izakhula. Guys, hayi ireaction kaLwandle it's giving, angazi ngathi it's scripted, because he doesn't look concerned. He doesn't look concerned about the fact that results athi he is 0% the father of the child. Asas guys, I am yet to see how this storyline is going to unfold, because at the moment, maybe let me say I want to see a reaction kaMacele when it comes to this scenario, and I want to see a reaction kaBaba Mseleko. maybe their reactions will make sense or something, because the reaction kaLwandle, guys, doesn't make sense. Another thing ukuthi uLwandle is always laughing nje, like uhlezi nje ehleka, even lalapho ongamelanga ahleke khona, he's always laughing. So man, yazini, no. I-storyline sabo lesingathi khonto off ngaso, because you can't tell me ukuthi that's the reaction that uLwandle has after finding out ukuthi the child is not his. And then another thing, guys, I feel like uLwandle loKhwezi, they are very young, like bancane kakhulu, yazi bancane kakhulu, yazi, especially uLwandle ngibona ngathi usasemncane kakhulu, guys, because uKhwezi ngathi is putting pressure on uLwandle on ukuthi, oh, you need to make your own decisions, you need to be your own man, akumelanga uloku uncengana labazali and stuff like that. Yazi, do you see, I hope you see like disadvantages of falling pregnant young, loku ukumithisana libancane nje, because uLwandle is just a child. Okay, maye sithi uLwandle kumele ke uncengana labazali, kumele ezimele be his own man, it doesn't make sense, because he's still a child, he's still under uMacele. Is he even working? Usebenza ngaphi uLwandle, guys, envele? So uyabona ukuthi if you are telling a man ukuthi you need to be your own man, you need to stand alone, stand your ground, umuntu okwazi ukustand iground yakhe ngumuntu like umuntu osesebenza, olemali zakhe, you know, who is mature a little bit, you know. uLwandle stand his ground. uLwandle, hi guys. I feel like it's too much on his plate. Guys, it doesn't feel like, that's the disadvantage ukuthi abantwana maybe mithisene. That's the disadvantage, because now girl, because she is the mother of the child. One, obviously umntwana largely ngokamama when it comes to irresponsibility, because she's the one taking care of the child physically, you know. Probably financially she is pitching in. I don't know how ukuthi kuminjani on when it comes to finances, but since ugirl esahlala ngiwo, she's the one who sees the struggles of the child, she's the one who probably pitches in a lot more when it comes to the child. So I would understand where anger yakhe would be coming from. My city, no Lwandle, you need to grow up, you need to be your own man, you need to man up, you need to no, you need to like stand up for your own little family, lay enguKhwezi and the child, you know. I get where her frustrations are coming from, because she's the mother of the child, she's the one who's facing the struggles, right? But now akulendi vele kuLwandle, akulendi ngendlela yena afisa kulende ngayo, because uLwandle is still a child under uMacele. He's still being fed by uMacele. A lot of things probably mama kusamenzela lo babakhe probably basamenzela. So for you to tell umntwana, like umntwana osaphakulela ipapa, phakela ipapa ngumama wakhe endlini, usathengelwa ama toiletries ngumama wakhe endlini, ubusumtshela umntwana lo ukuthi khona you need to man up, it doesn't make sense. It won't land the way oyabufuna kulende ngayo, because like you are telling a child, it's like yeah, I don't know, man, but that's how I feel. Ngibone ngathi nje uLwandle usasemncane lokuba matured. I don't think he's matured to that level yokuthi besetshela ukuthi you need to man up, you need to grow up. Imagine uLwandle baqeda ukumtshela you need to man up, you need to grow up, like ngapho ufuna ukuya ngumama wakhe for some things and stuff. I mean uMacele like, guys, mina angeke angimsoli. Honestly, angimsoli when uMacele is standing up for uLwandle, because uLwandle usasemncane, he still needs a guidance from uMacele, you know. So honestly, angimsoli uMacele when he's standing up for uLwandle, because now, right now, a good example is now uMacele wathi akwenziwa iDNA, yaphuma iDNA isithi uLwandle is 0% the father. You see? So udlala indima yakhe uMacele, honestly udlala indima yakhe njengomzali. So, honestly mina I can't blame him, I can't blame her shem, because udlala indima yakhe as umzali and iyabonakala indima yakhe, ama results siyawabona nanku. The way the way uKhwezi akubeka ngayo it's now sounding like as if uMacele angazi dimsele kuzi bathenga udokotela, angazi they bribed the doctor yini ukuthi udokotela athi yena umntwana suye kalwandle. That's how it's sounding, guys. Le explanation yakhe leyo ukuthi ethi khona a woman knows her ways. Phela umuntu ethi a woman knows her ways, it's like umfana wayekhona wayecheat ugirl, ungathola ukuthi wayecheata, but like it's like she is saying I know ukuthi umntwana akasuye ka boy number 1 ngokalwandle umntwana. So guys, ugirl la is questionable shem. So but I mean hangithi kuthiwa guilty, yeah, or bese ngifuna ukuthi kuthiwa guilty until proven not guilty, yeah, kuthiwa not guilty until proven guilty, angazi something like that into enjalo. But ngizama ukuthi at the moment girl, mina kimi I feel like maybe probably you cheated and you fell pregnant, and probably when you ubufisa ukuthi umntwana kube ngokalwandle, but ngeshwa la ngebhadi umntwana akasuye kalwandle, iDNA icho njalo. Sasizalinda ke umntwana akhule kwenziwe leyo DNA, umntwana esekhulile sibona ukuthi DNA izatshintsha. Guys, no, this is so fun. Yazi ulwandle lentombi yakhe, shem, ngiyakutshela shem, ulwandle lentombi yakhe they really need guidance yabadala, because bona beyithu mbona ngathi bachaya iganga, mina mbona ngathi bachaya iganga, because ugirl now is putting pressure. Vele guys ku wrong, mbona ngathi ugirl now is putting pressure on ulwandle, sefuna ulwandle amene up ngapha le DNA ithi umntwana so wanke. Guys, please do let me know what you think about this whole thing on the comment section. Do you guys think ukuthi this part is scripted? And like mawucabanga ukuthi it's scripted, how, like which part exactly do you think is scripted? Mina ngicabanga ukuthi these people already knew ukuthi ugirl is pregnant and isisu ayisiso sikalwandle. That is why uMacele was adamant ngokuthi ethi yena let's do a DNA, because they already knew as a family ukuthi ugirl is pregnant and the child is not Lwandle's child. So they just probably wanted to add a spice, a drama, ukwenzela ukuthi lathi nxa sibukele sithi how sibabaza singaqedi. But ulwandle guys, yazi enye into ebengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ngiyokuthi guys, I feel like mina ngicabanga ukuthi ulwandle maybe I can't maybe remember we once aza afuna ukulwa lo Snare, aza afuna ukuchaya uSnare. From that time I think I realized ukuthi ulwandle does have anger issues. Maybe that's the reason why ehlala esmile. Maybe uyabezama uku-avoid nje to get pissed off and stuff, because I think from that little reaction esayibonayo ngesikhathi ecaphukele uSnare short element windawana we anger issues. He needs to do anger management. So probably into emenza ahlale nje smile even isidingo singekho. Maybe abezama uku-avoid ukuthi nje engagcine ecike kanje. I mean, if that's his coping mechanism, if that's what's gonna help him to stay out of trouble, it's good. Go right. Akahlale ezismayilela manje kunguthi ebona ukuthi kuyamsiza ukuthi acontrol ulaka or control anger yakhe. yeah, guys, kaqhubeke shem, kaqhubeke guys. Anyways, guys, please do let me know what you think on the comment section, guys. Before I go, there is a guy on TikTok. I was looking for that video. I couldn't find the exact video that I was looking for, but there's a guy on TikTok who said that ucabanga ukuthi uLwandle might be in the closet. Okay, Lwana. What ucabanga ukuthi uLwandle might be in the closet. uLwandle might be, you know. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. What ucabanga njalo, wazibeka izizathu ezenzo, and uguy wakhona yena is a gay man, right? Wazibeka izizathu zokuthi because of A, B, C, D, he thinks that uLwandle might still be in the closet, you know. Please do let me know what you think about that as well, and please be respectful in the comment section. And guys, mina angisho kabi nkosi yami, angisho kabi bandla, and futhi there is nothing wrong about being in the closet ngoba uzaphuma phela ngithi ma in the closet sizawuvula umnyango or uzazivulela when you are ready uphume ume phandle abantu bakubone. There is nothing wrong with that, you know. Yeah, anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.